Today we have a special tutorial because I will show you how to create an Instagram puzzle, how to download it and how to split it. So watch until the end so you don't miss any area on my computer. So we are going to create a post that has these dimensions 3240 and simply click on create new design. The new tab will open. Go to file and click on view setting, and here you see the option show rulers and guide. Okay, so first I am going to do is to set some guides before designing. So first of all, let's add photo grid. I choose this one and adjust it in the frame. Once it is adjusted, so now what I am going to do is to create my guides. So click on the top of the ruler, any of them on the top or on the side. Click, and then I am going to drag my mouse with holding my click. So I am just going to drag the first one, and I am putting my guides right on the top of the black line. So you can see here, I do not miss this. And let's do the same with vertical guides. So once it is done, we need to click again on the grid and delete it. So because we have our guides activated, we can see them here, and this is going to be useful because like this it will be easier to see what is going to be inside each of our posts. Now let's go back and search for Instagram post and choose any template. You can choose according to your choice. Choose this one and click on customize template. So the new tab will open. Here you need to do is just select all the elements and right click and click on copy. Now go back, click on canvas and press Ctrl V so your all the elements will be copied here. You can adjust the whole frame or you can adjust the elements manually as I am doing here. Just keep adjusting them. You can make them bigger or smaller the way you prefer. You can change or edit each and every element of the frame. You can edit the text here. I want to add some more elements, so let's go here to elements and I'm going to search for frame block. And I'm just going to add a couple of these frames on the same of the square. Click on frames and you will find all the frames here. You can choose according to your choice. I just choose this one here. So you can just adjust them, reduce the size so that it adjusts on the square. Once the process is done, now I am just going to click on duplicate, and I have a duplicate of the frame. I am just going to leave them on the top of the other frames and move them up and to the left just a tiny bit. And then I am just going to change the color of the frame that are behind the new frame. And I select the color white. So adjust the frame once it is adjusted. Do this for all the 4 sides. So let me just adjust them and repeat the same process. I am just going to do the same with all the frames. And now what I am going to do is to add some photos. Here from elements, so I'm just searching for girl and click on photos, and I'm just choosing the photo randomly. Just choose the photo and drag a little so it adjusts in the frame. Do this for all the 4 sides. Double tap on the photo and so you can adjust it, rotate it or crop it. Let me do the same process for another 2 frames, and there you go. All the 4 frames are done. Now just download the photo and open the new tab and search for Pixel Tool Split Image, and the new tab will open. Click on the first link and here you need to upload the photo that we just saved. Click on choose file and upload the photo. So now here you need to select the option that how to split the image. So click on both grid, and now in vertical it will be 3 posts or 3 blocks, and then horizontal another 3, and then split here. You will see download pieces or images. So right now we just split our puzzle into 9 different images and they are ready to be published on Instagram account. So here you need to pay a lot of attention and be super organized because it may happen in the wrong order and then the puzzle would not look nice on your grid. So just make sure that maybe you rename each of the files and you know that this one is going to be the first one you are going to be published. This is the second one, this is the third one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now I send the photos to my phone, so I am able to publish them on Instagram and show you the final result. Okay, so here is where you have to be super careful, and when you are going to be posting your images to Instagram, just double check with your grid. You know, like the image or the design without cropping, so you know, okay, so this is the first image, then which one is going after this one and so on, because we don't want to mess this part up. So let me just post all of this and I will come back to you how it looks like. And there you go. This is the final result. This is how the grid looks like on your Instagram. So this is it for the video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!